Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you on how to fix your Facebook account if it is restricted. There's just one simple way to do this. Let's go ahead and get started. So you first want to head over to Facebook. You then want to go to your menu in the bottom right corner and scroll down until you see Help and Support. You then want to click that and click Report a Problem. It says this, you can check your phone if there's a problem, you can go and continue to report at the very bottom. Click Include and Report. From here, you need to choose what is going on. I just scroll down and click Other. You then want to type what's wrong, so you can just say that my account is restricted and I don't know why it happened. Could you please help me and fix it? And make sure to say thank you. And they should get back to you within a couple of days. And also, if you want to, you can take a screenshot of what is going on so maybe they can see it and maybe get the problem solved a little bit faster. But once you're done with this, just change it to whatever you'd like. Click send, and then like I said before, it'll take a couple of days, and then they should get back to you and hopefully be able to fix it. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.